Here at the Capitol, we get lots of visitors and lots of advocacy, and one of my favorites really is Cities Week. Cities are on the front line of leadership. They know our community through and through. And so for them to be able to come here and talk to us about those needs, it helps us understand what we should be prioritizing, not only in our legislation, but in our budget.
Elected officials and city staff are boots on the ground. They hear the concerns of residents on a daily basis, and they're the people that I reach out to when there's legislation.
It's really important that our city officials always recognize us city employees. I truly believe it's a team effort. You know, the work that they do, that we do combined is equally important for our residents. So when they see their streets clean, their parks beautiful, it truly takes that policy angle, but also the boots on the ground.
Local government is really government at its finest. It's where it connects with the people. And so celebrating the work of our cities who are tackling the big issues from housing to homelessness to climate change, it's so important.
City staff work day and night. That's largely a 24/7 operation, depending on which department you're talking about. You know, law enforcement, fire and police largely work 24/7. You have your call center that works 24/7. You have maintenance that is on call or working throughout the day. You know, all of those things really, the city is the backbone of a community.
It's really important to keep all levels of government in perspective when we're making state laws that apply for our constituents, because at the end of the day, it's our communities, it's our neighbors, it's our neighborhoods who see the impact, and we're all trying to help.
So whether you're small or large, you can have really good conversations, and it could be whether it's sewer, water, and streets, or whatever. It's really heartwarming to see how so many cities are really into doing the best job they can for the constituents. And that's what I really, really like about Health Cities and what we do.
If people have a vision of what they want their community to be, it's those employees that actually make it happen.
Local city council is where you see the most action, the speed in which you can actually make change, versus the state where it takes a lot longer and you have far more people to talk to make sure that it happens.
People in local government want to solve problems. That's why they got into that line of work. And I really hope that people can stop and pause and say, hey, these are people that are really trying to solve our everyday problems, from the big ones to the small ones.
To all the residents within the different cities of the state of California, join me in celebrating Cities Week. Join me in celebrating everything that your local electeds do every day to help you, the residents of the state of California.
Let's keep ensuring that our local voice is strong every day.
Happy California Cities Week.
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 Happy Cities Week. Thanks for coming to the state capitol.